say less. Hard to keep this weight above my chest. They want me to be just like the rest, so I guess I should just say less.
Hello, cousin. I am Uncle Mike, your favorite YouTuber's favorite uncle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is year 3, week 21, and you might be asking yourself,
Uncle Mike, why are you watching static on an old analog TV?
well, the reason being is because that TV is a telescope, and it is picking up signals from the Earth and from space. And 1% of that signal is radiation left over from the Big Bang, something like 13.7 billion years ago. It's called the cosmic microwave background, and that is amazing. And speaking of amazing, cousin, thumbs up because you are amazing. I'm your favorite YouTuber's favorite uncle. I am Uncle Mike.